Amanda with Zippo, and I'm going to take you through our new fire starting line. So Zippo has, obviously our heritage is fire, the flame. So we're going to help people master the flame with these new products. So we have first our Mag Strike. It's a ferro rod. You can see it's a nice, thick, the triangle design so it's easier to grip. You get sharpened edge on all three sides, and it's coated to prevent rust. But when this coating comes off and exposes the silver, you get a nice, even, clean spark.
So what's the MSRP going to be on this and its availability?
So these will be available in June.
Okay.
$24.95.